Hello guys, welcome back. Are you able to create this web page where when I click to this image, open a YouTube channel as you see, and then when I click on this Google image, I open Google website. Are you able to do this? If no, please subscribe this video, share it to your colleagues, and please keep watching until the end. You will be able to do this one with Clickable computer tutorials. So without spending much more time, let us start. Yeah guys, now let us see how you can create clickable image. Right, today's lesson is to learn how to create clickable image. How to create clickable image, right? So now let us first of all insert image in our page as already ran it before. If you missed it, you can go back and watch the previous lesson that shows how to insert image in web page. So to do this, we need to use image tag with CRC that represents the source of that image. Right now our image is, let us first of all use youtube.gpg as the extension of our image. Then we need to use art attribute, which is, let us use YouTube like this, and then also we can give it width, which is also like 15 pics, and then height also like 18 pics, right, like this. So once I save it and run it, let me show you an output. You see, this is our output now, right, as you see here. Then to make this image clickable, let me show you how you can do this. First of all, we need to use anchor tag as a link, right? Yeah, we need to use anchor tag like this, then here, and close it here, right? Then inside of this tag, let us write this one, hypertext reference, which is equal to, then you can come and find out here a link for the YouTube like this. Let us touch it. After copying this link, can come here and put here in hypertext reference, right? Then now is already inserted, right? You can now come back to our page here. You see, now let us refresh our page like this, and once you click here, you see now is working as a link, right? You see, it is now working as a link, as you see. So this is how you can use image as a clickable and as a link, right? Once I click here, you see, this is now working as a link, right? Yeah, now we can come back here and let us minimize this one like this. Then also we can insert another image. For example, let us use as usual, but just you can copy this one, paste it here, and now image. Now let us use this one. Let us use this one. You see this google.gpg, right? Let us use this one, .gpg, like this one, as this one, right? google.gpg. So after doing this, you can now come and search for Google link. Now once we run again our page, you see we'll get two images, one for YouTube and one for Google. Once I click for YouTube, you see now it's open a YouTube channel which is GWO Computer Tutorials. But once I run it again, you see, and click on Google, and also you see I open the Google page, right? You see, so this is how you can use image as a link, or how you can create a clickable image. So please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, to like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can get full access to our amazing lessons. So let me see you in the next video.